Inforbix Dashboards is a new product data app from Inforbix that generates and monitors product data from different sources in real time. On a single screen, you can generate multiple dashboards that each monitor product data aggregated with Inforbix tables or Inforbix charts. Inforbix Dashboards is your personal tool for staying on top and ahead of information important to you and for making better informed decisions. Let me go ahead and show you how you can create multiple dashboards that capture and track information that might be important for you. So you start off with empty dashboards. Remember, dashboards is a collection of individual dashboards that you create yourself or generate yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do here is, I see that there's 4 empty ones. I want to generate 6 dashboards. So I can go here to the far right and go ahead and click and change on this little pop-up window here the number of dashboards. So I'm going from 4 empty dashboards to 6 empty dashboards. And now I'm going to start the process of creating my own individual dashboards. Inforbix uses information from tables and charts, Inforbix tables and charts that I have previously saved before. And it'll use those to track them. So I can go ahead and add here. If I hit the plus sign, a pop-up window comes, and these are all the previously saved tables that I have gone ahead and saved. And here I have the charts that I have currently saved. So let me go ahead and start the process of creating dashboards that are monitoring product and project information that is important to me. So I'm going to start off by creating a first dashboard with the valve bomb table that I'm currently working on. The second thing is a latch table that I also want to monitor for any changes that might happening. Now I want to monitor a chart that's actually of all the last saved CAD drawings in my team. The next one is for the approved CAD drawings. I like to go ahead and monitor a chart that I've previously have created. Okay, and now the next one is the pump assembly table that I'm interested in also tracking. And then finally, I like to track all the revised CAD drawing charts, or the chart for all the revised CAD drawings that I've previously created. Okay, so now here you have it, and I can go ahead and monitor this information because Inforbix dashboards automatically and in the background make sure that each individual dashboard, each one of these individual ones, is kept up to date. So if I want to go ahead and have a closer look, for example, at this particular dashboard, I can go ahead and click it, and I get a pop-up window that gives me an expanded view of what's in that dashboard. And that expanded view is also going to reflect the most up-to-date and latest change or data in that particular chart. Remember, Inforbix dynamically keeps all the product data up to date. If I'd like to, for whatever reason, go ahead and go back to the original chart that generated or created this, I can go ahead and click that, and you see I'm now back at the original charts that I had created. I can go ahead and do something here, but if I want to go back to dashboards, I can go ahead and just click the dashboard app link, and you'll note something, that there is no need for saving a dashboard once you've created one, because Inforbix will remember each dashboard that you create, and each time you either go back to the app, or you create a dashboard, or you expand the view, you're going to get automatically the very latest information reflected on that particular table or chart that you're capturing on the dashboard. Let me give you another example here. Let's say that I'd like to go ahead and delete a particular dashboard and maybe change it for something else. Well, that's pretty easy as well, because I can go ahead and just delete that. It's going to ask me if I want to delete it. I can go ahead and now add another piece of information. In this case, I want the pump assembly table. And let me go ahead and actually what I'd like to do, I changed my mind. I'd like to go ahead and put the revised CAD table, because I have a chart here of the revised CAD. So now what I like to do is just have a table of the revised CAD drawings to complement that. So now Inforbix is generating that, and voila, there it is. If I want to expand that just to make sure it's the right table that I'm looking at, there it is. I can see very quickly. And of course, let me show you one more way of getting to the original that I may have skipped earlier. Here on every single dash, we have a link that also goes back to the original either Inforbix table or Inforbix chart that generated. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Inforbix dashboards helps you monitor information so you can stay one step ahead of what's happening with data that's important to you, and hopefully helps you make better decisions. Thank you.